Okay, so we are live.
Okay.
Okay, so let's just pick up where we left yesterday, and I'll see. Um, oh, okay. So, um, are you able to access the shell?
Yes.
Uh, Try to write something, maybe.
Oh, let me. I think I have to start a new one. Just give me a sec. Did that work? Yeah. Okay.
Yep. Okay. So we'll have to run the auto test first, and then I really forgot how we. Okay, so here it is in the root directory of the application. We have to run bundle execute auto test. Okay, so right now we are failing hang person guessing same letter repeatedly returns false.
Yeah. Right. I
And
remember now. So
if we see the spec, we'll see which test it is failing. So hang person um, guessing same letter repeatedly returns false. So yeah, do you see the test which we are failing?
yeah, I do. I'm just confused though because why is it saying that guess has to be a boolean?
uh, it says it has to return false.
What has to return false?
The guess
Guess.
method.
Okay. So
So yeah.
we can add another if block, if condition that says that if the letter is already in the guesses, then
Or
we
in the wrong guesses.
or in the wrong guesses, yeah, we
Yeah.
return false.
Yep.
Okay.
I think you can start.
Okay, so I could do just an if wrong guesses dot include
Yep.
letter.
Yep. We really don't need the parentheses, do we?
No, we don't. It's not elif, is it? Else if.
Yep.
Did we run auto? Yeah.
Mm.
Okay.
So now we have to. We're just passing. We're just failing one test. It says guessing the same letter repeatedly is case insensitive.
Right. So we can just downcase then.
Yep. Downcase the letter.
So should I just should I just say, how do I do that? Letter dot downcase like that?
Yeah, I think that should work.
Okay.
Uh, let's see. Yep. So you passed all the test cases which were not pending.
Okay, great. So
Okay.
we can switch.
Yeah, sure. Uh,
Oh, actually, there's still some left in that context, but I guess we'll switch anyway because it's a pretty big one.
no problem. So where were we? It returns false, and
It's done. Sorry, never mind. It's yeah. So we go to invalid now. Context invalid.
great. Oh, okay. So okay, let me try to remove all the pending flags for this context.
Sure.
Oops. Okay, and okay, so we've got three failures. It says that hang person guessing invalid throws an error when empty. So I'll just see the spec. So it says
Okay.
that if you pass an empty string in the guess method, it should raise an error, argument error.
I see. Okay.
Yeah. So I'm not really familiar with the
With
exception
with
handling in
throwing
Ruby.
errors,
Yeah. So
I think you
I
can just say raise argument error. That should work. Like if it's not a if it's an empty
uh,
string. I mean.
raise
Yeah, that should do it.
like this.
Yeah.
Okay. Yep. I think we passed that one. Hang
Okay.
person guessing invalid throws an error when not a letter. Okay. So and it also throws an error when nil.
Okay.
So if letter is empty or letter nil,
I think so. Yeah. Try that.
should we just check the
We'll check
syntax?
that first. Yeah. Oh, the spec. Sure.
Okay,
Nil client.
but how do we check if something is nil?
Sorry, can you just give me 1 second? I have to get the phone.
Sure.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey. Yeah.
Okay.
So
I'm just
nil
trying
question mark.
in the
Yeah.
IRB. Yeah, that works.
Okay. Good.
Okay. So we just have to take care. Oh,
Did you save it?
I think I saved it. Yeah, I did.
Hmm. There is an error when nil.
Okay. Um, Maybe we should switch the ordering.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh, that's strange. Why?
Uh, Actually, the reason is because the way the OR operator works.
Oh, right. The short circuits.
Yeah, exactly. So
Okay.
when it is nil, when it is nil, it's not empty.
Yeah.
I think we
Yeah, I
can
think you're right.
try
That
that
makes
out. Nil doesn't have any empty method.
cool.
Okay, so our last test says that um, guessing invalid throws an error when not a letter. Okay, so I think we have to go to regular regex for this
Yeah.
one,
Yeah.
and let me fire off regexer.
Okay.
This should be pretty simple one. Um, we'll just say not for. Okay, so you see this regex matches white spaces as
Yeah.
well symbols, but I guess we'll have to also include digit in this one.
We'll have to include digits. So you're saying digits are
Invalid.
invalid. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so this is the regex we are going to use,
Okay. Yeah, looks
and
good.
we can remove the empty check,
Yeah.
and what was the syntax again? Like this.
I think, yeah. Is that an equal sign? Is it equal tilde? Tilde.
Tilde equal to or equal to tilde?
Equal to tilde.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Sorry, I couldn't. I'm looking at the Hangout screen instead of the. Okay, now I see you better. Yeah.
and I just want to try this one out.
Okay.
Okay, so 1 equals tilde, and then this should be true. It says nil. How about if it is really a character? Says nil again.
So why
Okay.
is it not matching with the one?
Some very silly mistakes. Nope. Hmm. No regular expression. I'll just open the Ruby docs.
Okay. I'm just messing around in the REPL.
Okay. Let me know if you find something.
Sure, yeah. Okay, well, I think maybe because we need to put it, well, that's weird. It's working for me.
Really?
Oh, wait. Yeah, it's working. But what you could try doing, so yeah, let me just copy paste what I did. Oh, you're in a different terminal though.
No problem.
So yeah, that should work.
Yeah, I think
And it,
I understand the problem.
you didn't put the quotes.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah.
So right now, if it is a valid letter, we'll get
Yeah.
nil,
Yeah.
and if it is
Yeah.
not, we'll get some value.
Yeah.
Uh, so then, this how how can we?
So we could check for the check to see if it's like, or we could try to convert it to a string. So dot two underscore s,
Mhm.
and then run the regex on it. So then it'll match, right?
That's not a problem. You see, we are already getting a string in the letter,
Oh, okay.
but I'm just thinking about how can we just rewrite the first line of the method, so that it takes care of all of the cases.
Okay. Well, why don't we refactor after it passes the test though?
Okay.
Or
Yeah. Mm. So we, I think this would work.
yeah, should work.
Nope. So guessing invalid throws an error when empty, which was passing earlier, is
Yeah.
not passing right now. Uh, what happens if the string is empty? It returns nil.
No, nil is a successful match. Unsuccessful.
Unsuccessful match.
Yeah. Hmm.
I think we'll just do like this for now.
Yeah.
Okay. So it passed the test cases, but not very
So
elegantly.
you want to try to combine it all with the regex, right?
Right. So there are three or four cases which
Yeah.
we have to tackle. We need to pass if the string is like empty.
Yeah. So how do
But
you? I don't even know how to match that with the regex actually.
if the string
Empty.
empty, yeah, I'm not sure if it would match. Yeah, you are right. So what we can do, we can just we can just uh, match for letters.
Yeah. Yeah, we could do that.
So if we just say A to Z,
Yeah.
and
That will also take care of the downcase thing.
maybe we should downcase before,
Or well, I
or
mean, if we only match lowercase. Oh, actually, the downcase we. Uh,
um, hmm,
Sorry, I gotta get the doors. 1 second.
sure.
Okay.
Uh, I think I broke everything.
Yeah, I just saw a lot of red stuff and I was like, what happened? What did you do? You removed the pending flags or what?
No, I didn't remove any pending flags. These were the tests that were passing earlier.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So what I was trying to do is that raise argument error
Yeah.
unless letter then down case in place matches with regex.
Hmm.
So maybe we can call down case before checking this.
Okay.
I'm not sure.
Well, I just don't know if the tests would pass if you raised an argument error on
I,
a string that's say a capital A or something. What
but
is what does the test expect when in that case?
uh,
It expects a false, right? But we would be raising an error, right?
yeah. So what should we do? We just ignore the downcasing logic over here,
Yeah. Yeah.
and then include a to
Right.
z,
Yeah.
and then have this like, okay, yeah. So I think we managed to take care of all the scenarios.
Cool.
Okay, so would you like to switch?
Sure. So I'm just looking at the RSpec file. We're at we just did invalid, right?
Yep.
No, so now we're at the next describe block, which says display word with guesses.
Yep.
Just remove that. And
Um,
save.
yep. I think you also have to remove the pending flags. Um, okay, so there are no pending flags inside the describe block.
Yeah. So there are three failures now.
Mm-hmm.
And
But it says hang person game displayed word with guesses should be B hyphen N when guesses are B N. So I'm expecting the word is banana.
yeah.
So um, okay.
Okay.
So yeah, so we are creating a new game with the word banana,
Yeah.
and then we are calling with we have different set of letters. So if you see the test cases for each pair,
Yeah.
so it's calling a method word with guesses,
Yep.
or is it an instance variable?
I well, is there a difference? It says undefined method word with guesses. So
So We can just define a method.
Okay, so define word with guess. Guesses.
Yep.
And
Okay.
I wanted to return a bunch of blanks. So I'll just return a bunch of the number, the length of the word
Mm-hmm.
dot length times that.
Yeah, I think that would take care of one of the test cases.
Hmm. String can't be coerced into fixed num, so I need to. So I guess that doesn't work in Ruby.
That string cannot be coerced into fixed num, but can you try to do the opposite, like have the string before the multiplication sign? Yeah, like this. Yep.
Okay, yeah, good call. So, and when we guess a word,
we
or
have we
letter, I
have
mean,
all we have all the guesses in, I think, in our guesses attribute.
right.
Okay, so what we can do is that we iterate on each of the letter in our word.
Yeah. So should I assign this to a variable?
Which one?
The dashes that I just made.
uh, I'm not sure how we can do it in a Ruby way, but we
Yeah.
definitely can use a very straightforward iteration logic, like iterate over every letter of the word.
I see. Okay. Yeah.
And and if it is in guesses,
So I don't know.
we can try
Maybe.
that IRB.
Yeah. Let's try an RB. So I'll try. I'll try maybe. Well, do you want to? Okay, you're doing it.
Yep. So for now, I'll just print.
So yeah. So
String doesn't have an each method.
it's funny. So a banana uh, dot do char, I think.
Banana.char.
Yeah.
I have the Ruby docs open,
Okay. Yeah. Let's check. Or
and
ours.
returns an array of characters in str. This is a each char dot 2a. Okay,
Yeah.
so yeah,
We can
we,
just do each char, which gives the enumerable instead of chars, and then convert to an array.
like this.
Yeah. So we can put the block now.
Will it work?
Yeah, that should work.
Yep.
So if it's in the word,
So
put a
in
blank or
yeah, yeah,
put the letter.
yeah. can we do something like map?
Yeah, that's what I was. Yeah, we could do that. So we could.
Hmm. Or in Python there's something like translate.
Is there?
In Python there is some translate, but
Oh,
have to see what is there in Ruby.
I'll try. I'll try that way in the meantime.
Let's for the time being, let's do it like this. We can convert it into an array,
Okay.
then have the map,
Okay.
and the map will give us an array of the characters, and then we can join the array.
Okay.
So we can do char, like uh, at word.chars.
Yeah.
It will give us the array
Mhm.
and map. And let's open up the definition for map as well. So it's kind of simple.
So how do you
So
want to do it?
we can just if x, or if letter, yeah, right, that's fine. If x in guesses, or if letter in guesses, um,
So
um, then yeah, if letter in guesses, then letter.
oh, did I do the syntax wrong?
No, I think yeah, it's fine. I miswrote it. So letter if letter in guesses, else hyphen. Yeah, I think. And now we have a new array which we'd like to join.
Do that?
Let me check how the join works.
Yeah. It's really
Uh,
confusing because join is it's different in every
yeah,
language.
yeah. Yes, Eric, we can just call join.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. So we can check. I think we have a syntax error. Letter if letter in guesses. What is
Yeah.
it? Hmm.
So I think there's something with maybe you were right about the syntax in
Can
Ruby.
can't we just have a ternary operator,
Yeah. So let's see. Okay. So letter in guesses.
or we can say guesses dot include letter?
Oh, right, right. That's not correct. So guesses dot include letter and letter else.
I think you can get rid of the if keyword
Oh, right.
and the else too,
All right. Oops, sorry.
and the parenthesis after
Which
include.
yes.
So let's see what. Okay, got false, false, true, false, true, false, but expected banana. Hmm.
That's weird. Do you think maybe it's we should put this without happening? Okay.
So does the ternary operator even work in Ruby?
Yeah, it does.
So
Why are
somehow,
we getting booleans? So chars.map, that should be fine. Um, let me let me see.
yep, you got banana.
Okay, so what is that
Some,
happening? Maybe.
somehow, in the comparison, we are checking in guesses dot include. Yeah, maybe that would help. Does it? I think there's one less failure.
Yeah, we're getting something something n dash dash n.
Almost there.
So
Just missing up the B.
yeah, why is it missing that?
I guess because hmm, you see, our inputs are BN and BAN.
Yeah, but shouldn't it
So
be because it's supposed to guess a letter one at a time? So shouldn't it
yes,
be calling word with guesses one at a time? The test?
yeah, it's doing one at a time.
Oh, it is.
Be-
Okay.
Yeah, if you see, there's a method in the specification at the top of
Yeah,
the spec. It
yeah,
says
yeah.
guess several letters,
I see. I see. Yeah.
and it calls the game dot guess for each letter.
Right. Yeah,
So
I see that.
I think our problem is in the guess method. So if you see in our else if block, we are checking if the letter include word includes the letter, and we're just assigning guesses.
Oh,
Yeah, we should, I think, append it.
yeah.
Yep. And same with, I think, wrong guesses.
With the wrong guesses, where is that? Oh, there it is. Okay. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Mm, yay.
All right. So we can switch.
Yeah. Okay, so I'll just start with removing the pending flags. I think
Okay.
there are very less tests remaining. Oh,
Yeah.
three of them.
Just it's just the game status block is left.
Okay. Why am I getting a syntax error?
Did you save? I
Yeah,
think sometimes it just shows up a syntax error and
yeah, it
it
doesn't
just,
refresh. Maybe the
yeah. Okay.
okay. So game status should be win when all letter guessed. I think we don't have anything check win or lose. Okay, so I'll be very lazy and just copy paste.
Yeah. The check win or lose. I guess we can just check to see if the the word is
The,
equal to
um,
the word with guesses.
if you know, guesses will always have the right number of letters,
Uh, yeah, yeah,
not the number, not the count of letters, but the letters are which are correct.
yeah,
So we can maybe uh, find the unique letters, like have something like set on the word.
yeah.
So
Well, I mean, I was just gonna say because we already have, but our function word with guesses is returning a string with
mhm.
dashes, right? So
Yeah.
when all those dashes are gone, it's gonna be equal to our guesses string.
So are you saying that we check word with guesses?
Or sorry, I meant our word string. Yeah, yeah. So word is equal to word with guesses, right?
Yep. So how does it work?
I think you can just write equal to. That should. I think that's
Uh,
how it works.
but how am I calling the method?
Just at word with guesses. Sorry, equal to. No, no. What's the getter in Ruby?
Mm,
Like
get
self dot word with guesses?
I think self dot. Yep. Or maybe
Try.
try add for now.
Yeah, could be.
Mm, it says expected play. Okay, so it expects we're always getting false. Why is that? So let's see the spec. It expects to equal to win. Uh-huh.
So okay, so it expects a symbol,
It
not
expects,
a boolean.
yeah. So for now, just let's say um, win if this.
Okay.
No, that doesn't work. Uh, it says got nil.
Yeah. Maybe that equality doesn't work.
Yes, I think so. Maybe
Although I
we.
just tried it in the Ruby shell
Mhm.
and it works.
I think we are messing up the how we call our method.
Right. Yeah. Oh, that worked. What did you do?
I just
Oh,
replaced.
yourself. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So, um, so what are the other cases?
So now we have equal to lose. So we could just put an else, I guess.
Game status should be lose after 7 incorrect guesses. And
Oh, right.
how do we keep track of the incorrect guesses?
Yeah, we'll have a counter.
Um, can we just count the wrong guesses?
Yes. Well, would it be just wrong guesses or both?
Mm,
I think just wrong guesses. Yeah, you're right.
7 incorrect guesses.
Yeah. Okay.
So we are sending. What does it expect?
So word.guesses length is equal to 7 or greater than 7, I guess. Greater than equal to. I don't know.
Length
Yeah.
after 7.
Yes.
Okay. Nope.
What's it saying?
It got nil. Strange.
Why does that not work? So word wrong guesses is getting. What's returning nil? Sorry.
Even the previous test worked.
Yeah.
It's getting nil. I was expecting. Okay, I see. Because we didn't return win.
Oh. Although.
Yep.
Yeah. That'll do it. Although we could just also have an else.
Yeah, you're right. How does it work? Like this?
I think so. Yeah.
I'll just check.
All right.
How do you compare? It's greater than equal to, yeah. And then lose or
Yeah, lose.
lose. And else play.
Else play. Yeah.
And we have to end the vlog.
Yeah.
And wow.
That did it. Wow, look at all that green.
Green is beautiful.
Yeah. Okay, cool.
Yeah, I think we made good progress today.
Yeah, that was better than last time. I was a bit out of it, I guess.
Yeah. Uh, I think most of the code is as optimized or as elegant as possible.
Yeah, as far as I know how to do Ruby, I mean, I think it looks good enough to me. I can't think of how else I would refactor it for now.
Yeah.
unless you
Right.
have some ideas.
I think this is good for now. We're just starting out.
Yeah, it's actually not a whole lot of code. I mean, it's only about 50 lines.
Yeah, right. Okay then, sir. Uh, let's stop here.